la Samburu.
Turejee hapa Nairobi ambapo waziri wa usalama Kipchumba Murkomen amesema kwamba operesheni maalum ya kukamata magenge ya uhalifu katikati mwa jiji la Nairobi na mitaani imeanzishwa na vitengo mbalimbali vya usalama. Alikuwa akizungumza kwenye jukwaa la usalama hapa kaunti ya Nairobi katika taasisi ya mafunzo ya serikali huko Kabete. Tusikilize.
That we are proposing to work with Treasury, we move in the first instance to 650 liters a month as we work out how to cover the most popular areas in our country. There is a shortage of police officers in many parts of the country, and Jukwaa Usalama, as they raised, initially we wanted to employ 3,500 police officers to recruit. But because of that, we requested His Excellency the President to work to bring us together with Treasury, and it was agreed that we hire 10,000 police officers that we are recruiting from tomorrow. So from tomorrow there will be a recruitment process. I'm aware, of course, that there was a legal process in court, and one of the judges has given an order to stop the recruitment process. I believe that would be sorted. I wish I would call the judge directly. I wish I would be allowed to call the judge directly to understand the consequence of a court order stopping recruitment of police that has never happened for the last 4 years, and how it is very critical for the safety of our country to recruit those police officers urgently, not just because of anything else, to secure our borders, because there are many police officers who have retired, some have passed on, and we need to replace and to bring energetic police officers who will be trained on time to even help us support the next elections. So I hope that the judge will watch my speech so that I don't need to call her, and will apply reason to make sure that that process is opened very quickly to ensure that our country can recruit the police officers we need so badly as a country, and I'm sure that our situation will be resolved in that issue. Many other policies we are working on, village elders ambao wanatusaidia wazee wa mtaani huko.
Turejee kaunti